Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome to the Robin's Nest. Today on my channel we are going to be making this super adorable little tropical cake, and we're going to be using all sorts of vibrant pretty colors to create this summer sunset effect and see if we can't wash some of these winter blues away. So let's get into it. Alright, so like usual, we're going to start by prepping our cake. So I'm going to take my 3 6-inch cake layers and I'm going to level them out using my cake leveler. Then I am going to fill my icing layers and then trim off all this caramelization so we can get it ready for the crumb coat. Right, so our cake is prepped and it's time for our crumb coat. So I'm going to begin with my purple icing bag, and we're just going to pipe a thin layer all around the top, and then I'm going to switch to my yellow bag and we're going to pipe a thin layer all around the outside. When we're finished with that, I'm going to smooth it all out and we're going to pop it in the fridge for a little bit, and then when we come back we can start working on our decorations. And also, if you're enjoying the video, now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any new videos. While we're waiting for our cake to chill, the first thing we are going to do is make our hibiscus flower for the top of the cake. So I'm going to roll out some fondant, and then I'm going to use this little paper stencil to help me cut out some petal shapes. And then I'm going to use my balling and veining tools to shape my petals a little bit more. And then we're going to set them to dry for a little bit before we assemble them. So I'm going to set these to dry for a little bit, and then we're going to start working on the rest of our decorations. And I'm going to start by working on these little cuties next. And then we're going to make a couple little pineapples, some leaves and flowers, and a cute little palm tree to tie everything all together. There, I finished with all my cute little tropical decorations. All I have left to do is assemble my flower. But for now, I'm going to move back to the cake, so we have to finish our final coat of icing. So you'll notice on the front here, I have an extra thick coating of yellow icing. So what I'm going to do is take this little circle of parchment, and we are going to secure it to the front of the cake here. And then we're going to pipe all of our colors onto the cake where we want them and smooth it all out. Then I'm going to find my little piece of parchment and we're going to peel it off and let the sun shine through. There we go, that looks pretty good, but we're not done quite yet. I still want to put a little bit of green fondant around my cake board, but my icing isn't firm enough yet. So I'm going to pop this into the freezer for about 20 minutes, and when we come back, we are going to assemble our flower. So my petals and my stamen have firmed up nicely, and they should be ready to assemble now. So I'm going to take a little bit of water and a tiny little paintbrush, and we're just going to paint a very, very small amount at the base of each of our petals. And then we're going to take our stamen and wrap all of our petals around it and set it back on our egg carton to dry for a little bit. Right, my cake is nice and firm and all my decorations are finished. So let's get this cake board covered so we can add all our finishing touches, and when I come back I will show you the big reveal. Ta-da! Here it is, guys, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I'm absolutely in love with it. It's so vibrant and colorful, and I really hope you guys all like it too. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And as always, if you're interested in any of the tools that I used in this video, you can find links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.